Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. فعل أمر والنهي أمر والنهي. So we learn grammar using TPI, total physical interaction, and mashallah, it's easy, interesting, and interactive. So use TPI. Today I'm not going to repeat and say, so you have to do it yourself.
It. Did.
Yes.
Thinking. Said. Saw it. Love it. Do it together.
MashaAllah. So revision of previous lessons for just 3 minutes. The short revision. Arabic words are of 3 types, well. Ism means is noun. Noun means ism. Noun, ism, like name, attributes. And the sign of noun is dhammatain, fathatain, kasratain at the end. And in the beginning, al, hamza and lam, alif, lam in the beginning. And un, in, at, the sign of plural. So un, in, at. And verb means fi'l. Verb means fi'l. Tells us about an action like fataha, yaftahu, amila, ya'malu. Harf, particle. We have done bi, li, min, fi, inna, all, alhamdulillah. Fi'l means verb. So in Arabic language, most of verbs are made up of 3 letters, means root letters, like fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba. Yes. So Madi, perfect tense, that which is done. Fi'l is of 3 types, mashallah. Perfect tense, that which is done. Madi. And Mudari', imperfect tense, that which is not done yet, being done or will be done. Being done or will be done. And third one is Amr, imperative. Imperative. So fa'ala, he did. You remember fa'ala, he did. Let's repeat and let's do a revision with the action in speed. Fa'ala, he did.
Fa'ala, he did.
Fa'alu, they did.
Fa'alu, they did.
Fa'alta, you did.
Fa'alta, you did.
Fa'altu, I did.
Fa'altu, I did.
Fa'altum, you all did.
Fa'altu, you all did.
Fa'alna, we all did. We did.
Fa'alna, we all did.
Yes, we did. Okay, yaf'alu, he does.
Yes, yaf'alu, he does.
Yaf'aluna.
Yaf'aluna.
Taf'alu.
Taf'alu.
In front of you, yes. Af'alu.
Af'alu.
Taf'aluna.
Taf'aluna.
Naf'alu.
Naf'alu.
Okay. So let's do one by one. And one from Madi, one from Mudari. Fa'ala, fa'ala, yaf'alu.
Fa'ala, yaf'alu.
No, singular. Singular is from Mudari. One is from Mudari and one is Fi'l Madi. Like this is written in order. So fa'ala, yaf'alu. Let's do it like.
Fa'ala, yaf'alu.
Fa'alu, yaf'aluna.
Fa'alu, yaf'aluna.
This is plural, yes. Fa'alu, yaf'aluna.
Fa'alu, yaf'aluna.
Fa'alta.
Fa'alta.
Taf'alu.
Taf'alu.
Fa'altu.
Fa'altu.
One, because
Yeah,
I'm just one.
fa'altu.
Yeah. Af'alu.
Fa'altu, af'alu.
Fa'altum.
Fa'altum,
Taf'aluna.
taf'aluna.
Fa'alna.
Fa'alna,
Naf'alu.
naf'alu.
You got what we did?
Yes.
One is from fi'l madi and one is from fi'l mudari.
Yes.
So we have done both of them, mashallah. Today's lesson, we have divided every lesson into small units for practice breaks. So let's see what is written here and what is the next step. Before mudari, Saufa means soon. Saufa means soon. Saufa means soon.
Soon.
And sa, seen fatha sa, seen zabar sa. You know zabar zer pesh? You know fatha dhamma kasra?
Yes.
Okay, so zabar zer pesh in Urdu and Hindi. So fatha is zabar and kasra is zer and dhamma is pesh.
Okay.
So like this is fatha, this is kasra, this is fatha. I mean,
yes.
on the letters, the right
Yes.
hand, on left hand, fatha and kasra under left hand. Yes, right hand is under left hand, kasra and
Kasra.
dhamma, like. No. Your left hand, do it like dhamma. Do it like. Yes. And now from your chest here. First do your left hand like it. Okay. And behind it, move your right hand behind your left hand, Yes. Now do your left hand like it. No. Like it.
Left hand.
No. Right hand. Make your right hand like it. Okay. No. Do your right hand like. Yes. Now from here. Yeah, that's it. After all, we have done. It's dhamma. Just to understand.
So, fatha,
yes.
kasra,
and dhamma, yes. Some low level, not on the so some low level. Yes. To teach someone, it's easy. Like who doesn't know how is written dhamma, fatha, kasra. So we can understand that, we can make him understood that fatha comes on this is a letter, like suppose this is a letter and fatha comes on a letter and kasra comes under the letter and dhamma comes on the letter, but it looks like.
Yes.
So saufa means soon. Soon. And seen fatha sa. Sa means very soon. Very soon. So soon that there is no time to say. There is no time to say. Yes. Like we say come here. Like come here. And we say come here soon. And we say come here very soon.
Come here soon. Come here very soon.
If we have to say soon, so there will be the saufa word in Arabic. And if we have to say very soon, there we will have to add sa, sin fatha sa, before fi'l mudari. Like let's Let's see what is given here. Sawfa yaf'alu. Sawfa yaf'alu.
Sawfa yaf'alu.
Yeah.
Soon we will do it.
With action, the upper level. Sawfa yaf'alu. Soon he will do.
Sawfa yaf'alu. Soon he will do.
Sawfa yaf'aluna.
Sawfa yaf'aluna.
Soon they will do.
Soon they will do.
Sawfa taf'alu.
Sawfa taf'alu.
Soon you will do.
Soon you will do.
Sawfa af'alu.
Sawfa af'alu.
Soon I will do.
Soon I will do.
Sawfa taf'aluna.
Sawfa taf'aluna.
Soon you all do.
Soon you all do.
Yeah, you all will do. You all will
All
do.
will.
Yeah, will is skipped here, mistyped.
Yeah.
So soon you will do. You all will do. Soon you all will do. And sawfa naf'alu.
Sawfa naf'alu.
Soon we will do.
Soon we will do.
Okay, now let's see about seen. Seen. This is seen. Aid before mudare. Sawfa was added before the mudare. Sawfa yaf'alu. And this is just seen fatha sa. So sa is added before yaf'alu. It was in fact yaf'alu. He will do. Yaf'alu, he will do. But now, and maybe he does. Both of the meaning. Future and present. You remember? Mudare has two meanings. Future and present. He does and he will do.
He will do.
Yeah. And sayaf'alu means very soon he will do. Sayaf'alu.
Sayaf'alu. Sayaf'alu. Very soon he will do.
Yes. Sayaf'aluna. Very soon they will do.
Sayaf'aluna. Very soon they will do.
Yeah. Sayaf'aluna. Very soon they will do. Sataf'alu. Sataf'alu. Very soon you will do. Very soon you will do. Sataf'alu.
Sataf'alu. Very soon you will do.
Sa'af'alu. Very soon I will do.
Sa'af'alu. Very soon.
Sataf'aluna. Very soon you all will you all will do. Sataf'aluna. Very soon you all will do.
Very soon you all will do.
Sanaf'alu. Very soon we will do.
Sanaf'alu. Very soon we will do.
MashaAllah. Sanaf'alu. Repeat sanaf'alu with action.
Yes. Sanaf'alu.
No, the upper level. Yes.
Sanaf'alu.
Very soon
we will do.
MashaAllah. Okay, so the third one is imperative. Imperative means amr. Amr. We can say it order. The words are used for to order someone. Imperative. Imperative.
Imperative.
Amr nahi. What is amr? Amr, to order or request.
To order or request.
That's it. Yeah. Amr, the words are used to order someone or to request someone. And nahi, to order or request, but to stop something.
Command.
Yes. Nahi means order or request, but to stop something, not to do. Not to do, but to stop something.
To stop something.
Yeah. So amr means like order or request to do something. And nahi means to order or request, but to stop something, not to do.
Now.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's move ahead. In the Quran, there are hundreds of verbs on this pattern. Fi'l amr nahi. Fi'l amru nahi. Fa'ala. We just take one word. Fa'ala. Fi'l madi. He did. Yaf'alu.
He did.
Fi'l mudari. He will do or he does.
He will do.
Yeah.
He does.
Yaf'alu, he does. You know?
Yes.
And سوف
يفعل.
يفعل, soon he will do.
Yes.
سيفعل,
سيفعل.
translate سيفعل.
سيفعل.
سيفعل for one word.
سيفعل. Very soon.
Very soon he will do. Yeah, that's
He
it,
will do.
mashallah. سيفعل, very soon he will do.
سيفعل. Very soon he will do.
And now the indication and the action for فعل أمر. This is the action. Like you have to do like افعل, افعل,
افعل.
do,
Do.
افعل, do,
افعل. Do.
افعلوا, افعلوا,
افعلوا.
do.
Do.
You all, like you all do,
You
do,
all.
you all.
Do you
So
all.
افعل, do,
افعل. Do.
افعلوا.
افعلوا. You all do.
No,
Do you all.
four fingers for plural, like افعلوا,
افعلوا.
do.
Do.
لا تفعل.
لا تفعل.
This is the action. لا تفعل.
لا تفعل.
Do your hand like. Do your hand like it. No, this is your hand, and now four fingers. Yes. لا تفعل.
لا تفعل.
Don't do.
Don't do.
لا تفعلوا. Now by four fingers. لا تفعلوا.
لا تفعلوا.
Fold your thumb and just four fingers. لا تفعلوا. Don't do.
لا تفعلوا. Don't do.
Yes. Now, let's come into our life and in our original life. Like we say someone, ifhal.
يفعل.
Yeah, like do. Go from here and do what I have told you last time. Like, so we do this action. We do this action.
Yeah.
Ifhal. And
If'al.
yes, and when we say don't do it, stop, what are you doing, don't do it. So this is the like la taf'al, don't do it.
لا تفعل.
So now mashallah we are teaching and learning, and we are teaching the brain that's want he teaches and he learns. This is the way of teaching, like do, because in our life we do it, don't do it, so stop it, like. So if'al, do,
افعل. Do.
if'alu, do,
افعل. Do.
if'alu,
Or افعلوا. Okay.
Yes.
افعلوا.
do.
Do.
La taf'al,
لا تفعل.
one finger, the index
La-
finger. La taf'al,
لا تفعل.
don't do.
Don't do.
La taf'alu,
لا تفعلوا.
don't do, like you all, don't do, you all.
Don't do. You all. Don't do.
Okay, mashallah. So now repeat after me in a speed. Fa'ala,
فعل.
low level, yes. فعل ماضي. Fa'ala,
فعل.
he did.
He did.
Fa'alu, they did.
فعلوا. They did.
Fa'alta, you did.
فعلت. You did.
Fa'altu, I did.
فعلت. I did.
Fa'altum,
فعلتم.
you all did.
All did.
Fa'alna, we did.
فعلنا. We did.
Now the high level for fi'l mudari, the upper level. Yaf'alu, he does.
يفعل. He does.
Yaf'aluna, they do.
يفعلون. They do.
Taf'alu, you do.
تفعل. You do.
Af'alu, I do.
أفعل. I do.
Taf'aluna, you all do.
تفعلون. You all do.
Naf'alu, we do.
نفعل. We do.
Yeah, al-fi'l, like if'al, order,
افعل. Do it.
do.
Do.
If'alu,
افعلوا.
do.
Do.
Yeah, like you all. If'alu, do, you all.
افعلوا. Do you all.
No, your hand should be like
Oh,
Not yeah. Yeah. This action is good. لا تفعل. Now
لا تفعلوا.
لا تفعل.
لا تفعلوا.
Not lu. This is sakin. Lam is sakin. Al. لا تفعل.
لا تفعل.
Yes. The last letter of amr or nahi. I mean both of them. The last letter of amr and nahi always will remain sakin.
Okay.
There will not be fatha and dhamma without any reason. I mean, if there is any letter, maybe so sometime there may be always it will be sakin. Okay. So if'al,
افعل.
do,
Do.
if'alu,
افعلوا.
do you all,
Do you all.
la taf'al, don't do,
لا تفعل. Don't do.
la taf'alu, don't do you all.
لا تفعلوا. Don't do you all.
MashaAllah. So if'al, like I'm asking you, if'al.
افعل. Oh, you're asking me.
Yeah, do it.
افعل.
No, like do it.
Do it.
So your answer will be sawfa af'alu.
سوف
Sawfa af'alu. The
سوف
upper
أفعل.
level. Yes, sawfa af'alu. What is the meaning sawfa af'alu?
Very soon.
Soon.
Yes, soon. سوف
Yeah.
أفعل. Soon I will.
If it would be sa'af'alu.
Okay.
Sawfa af'alu.
سوف أفعل. Very
Soon I will do. Soon I will do.
Soon I will do it.
Yeah, now I have to take some rest. If'alu.
افعلوا.
Do you all?
سوف
If'alu.
سوف نفعل. We will do.
Sawfa naf'alu. Soon
Soon
we will do.
Soon we will do.
MashaAllah. Okay, now al-fath means to open something. So fataha, fatahu. Now let's repeat. Fataha.
فتح.
Okay, let me see. Okay, this is given here. So we just do first. Iftah. Say iftah.
افتح.
Open.
Open.
Iftahu.
افتحوا.
Open you all.
Open your all.
Yeah, do action correctly. Iftah.
افتح.
Open. Iftahu.
افتحوا.
Open you all.
Open your all.
La taftah.
لا تفتح.
Don't open.
Don't open.
La taftahu.
لا تفتحوا.
Don't open you all.
Don't open your all.
Is it clear? Iftah, iftahu. La taftah, la taftahu.
افتح. افتحوا.
Mhm.
لا تفتح. لا تفتحوا.
MashaAllah. So this is amr, iftah, iftahu, and this is nahi. La taftah, la taftahu.
افتح. افتحوا.
No, iftah, like it. This
Yeah,
action is for amr. Iftah,
Okay.
iftahu.
Yeah, افتح. Do open. So do it. Open. افتحوا. Open your all.
Yes, and
لا تفتح.
this is the action of nahi. This is the action of nahi. La taftah.
لا تفتح. Don't open.
Like we are moving over head. Don't do it.
لا تفتحوا. You guys don't do it. You
Yeah,
all don't do it.
that's it. So now let's see. Fataha, he opened.
فتح. They open.
Fatahu, they opened.
فتحوا. They open.
Yes. So meaning, I think you know the meaning. Alhamdulillah. So we just say Fataha, Fatahu.
فتح. فتح. فتحوا.
Fatahta, Fatahtu.
فتحت.
Fatahta.
فتحت فتحت
فتحت
فتحت فتحت
فتحتم فتحنا.
فتحتم فتحنا.
Yes. Now let's do فعل مضارع. يفتح يفتحون.
يفتحوا يفتحون.
تفتح أفتح.
تفتحوا أفتحوا.
تفتحون نفتح.
تفتحون نفتح.
Yes. Now فعل أمر. افتح.
افتح
افتح in front of you. افتح.
افتح.
افتحوا.
افتحوا.
لا تفتح.
لا تفتح.
لا تفتحوا.
لا تفتحوا.
MashaAllah. So if I say افتح, so your answer will be
سوف أفتح.
yes. سوف أفتح. Now I'm sitting, so I'll go to the door and then سوف أفتح. Soon I'll open. افتحوا. افتحوا.
سوف نفتح.
No, with the action, with the correct action. سوف نفتح.
سوف نفتح.
Perfect. MashaAllah. The action is good.
We're going there now.
Yes. So now we are going to do اجعل. اجعل means make. اجعل means make. Simple. We have learned the action now. So just we have to fix the words on the action. So we have to do just اجعل. Make it. Make. اجعل. Make.
I'll make.
اجعلوا. Make you all.
I'll make you all.
لا تجعل.
لا تجعل. Don't make.
Don't make. لا تجعل.
Don't make.
لا تجعلوا.
لا
Don't make you all.
تجعلوا. Don't make you all.
MashaAllah. So اجعل. اجعلوا.
اجعلوا. اجعلوا.
No. اجعل.
اجعل.
اجعلوا.
اجعلوا.
لا تجعل. لا تجعلوا.
لا تجعلوا.
لا تجعل.
لا تجعل.
لا تجعلوا.
لا تجعلوا.
Yeah. First word for فعل أمر. اجعل. اجعلوا.
اجعلوا. اجعلوا.
No. Imagine just one person is sitting in front of you and you are asking
make
him.
it.
Yes. اجعل. Make.
اجعل. Make.
And maybe there are your many students sitting in front of you. So you are asking them, اجعلوا.
اجعلوا.
Make. You all.
Make.
You all. Make
All.
you all.
Make you all.
Do your action just perfect. Make it. Yes. اجعلوا. Make you all.
اجعلوا. Make you all.
لا تجعل. لا تجعل.
لا
And this
تجعل.
is لا تجعل.
Don't make.
Yes. لا تجعلوا.
لا تجعلوا. Don't make. لا تجعلوا.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
All don't make.
Now let's see what we have the next. So ja'ala means he made and yaj'alu means he makes or he will make. You know, mudari has two meanings. You know, mudari has two meanings, mashallah. So ja'ala.
Ja'ala.
Ja'alu.
He made. Ja'alu. They make.
Ja'alta.
Ja'alta. You made.
Ja'altu.
Ja'altu. I made.
Ja'alna.
Ja'alna. We made.
Ja'altum. Ja'alna. Ja'altum. Ja'alna.
Ja'altum. You all make. Ja'alna. We make.
Yes, mashallah. So yaj'alu. Yaj'aluna.
Yaj'alu. Yaj'aluna.
Taj'alu. Aj'alu.
Taj'alu. Aj'alu.
تجعلون نجعل.
تجعلون نجعل.
اجعل.
اجعل.
اجعلوا.
اجعلوا.
لا تجعل.
لا تجعل.
لا تجعلوا.
لا تجعلوا.
MashaAllah, we have done our lesson. Learning tip is create the environment for learning. Create the environment for learning. So poster yani at office, home, vocabulary, pocket book in pocket, video, audio recording in your mobile, computer and car audio system. MashaAllah. Keep the textbook on your table. White blackboard to write verses at home. And friends, partners, family members to team up with the remind and continue. MashaAllah, this is the homework for you. This one, this one, this one. Now
Oh,
you,
this one?
yeah, you can take in snap. If you
Yeah,
want to take a
this.
picture, yeah. So I'll be there in picture.
Oh, you want that?
Am
I'll
I
take
looking
only-
good? Am I looking good?
Let me take you because sometimes I don't want to take you. I don't tell you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, so now I take.
So pocketbook, the most important of no, I'm just joking that am I looking good because I'm going to be in your picture.
Yes.
So
You
the pocketbook, the most important of all, always carry the booklet or worksheet. I can see. Oh, I'm alone in the picture. There is no text. So our worksheet given to you in this course, refer to it 5 times a day, preferably before and after very fard salah. This will speed up your learning to a great extent. You will be a continuous student of the Quran wherever you go. MashaAllah. So by the end of 15th lesson, we learned 186 words which occur in the Quran, almost 37,500 times, mashallah. The best way to learn is to teach. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran.
Ameen.
Ameen ya Rabb.
Ameen ya Rabbi.
Let's say Subhanak Allahumma
Anaka Allahumma
wa bihamdika
bihamdika
wa tabarak asmuka.
tabarak.
No, no,
Sahad.
no. Subhanak Allahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha
An la ilaha
illa anta
illa anta
nastaghfiruka
astaghfiruka
wa natubu ilayk.
tubu ilayk.
That is dua we read in the beginning of the salah. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarak asmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. This is called thana, the name of this dua.
For when you start in the salah.
Yeah, when we say Allahu Akbar and we just
before Fatiha.
Yes, before Fatiha we read this dua. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك ولا إله غيرك. MashaAllah, we have done 15 lessons. Alhamdulillah. Allahumma barik. And Allahumma Rabbana taqabbal minna.
ربنا تقبل منا
Ameen ya Rabb.
إنك